Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll just lather up. Today we're continuing with the shave test for the Thomas Lund 8-day set. And yes, you heard right, it's not a 7-day set. It's an 8-day set. Presented in a very nice wooden case. So now that I'm feeling a little bit better, we can proceed. We've done number 1 razor. We did that in, believe it or not, December, and it's now Feb, but I can only do what I can do. But anyway, I feel strong enough to carry on with the rest of them now. I'm getting there slowly but surely. So just to refresh your memory, I'll just step back a little bit. This is the, I think it's oak, or either oak or mahogany case. Very nice clean liner. No rips or tears or anything. So today we're going to do, try to hold it up there, number 2. This is the same initials on there, you can see, and there is a number 2 there, very faint. It's worn off over time, bearing in mind these were made around 1850. So this was probably made by William Lund, which is the son of Thomas Lund. You can see the Lund trademark there, nicely restored. The handle's probably made from bone. It was quite common in those days to use ivory, but I'm not an expert on bones. Could be camel bone, but in those days it was quite fashionable to use ivory. And there's the logo on the tang, Lund, Cornhill. So I'll proceed with the shave test on this particular razor and see how it performs. I'll be shave testing all these razors. Nothing wrong with that, nice and smooth. Yeah, this is about a 4-day beard. And they're quite slim blades, so you can manoeuvre around any gorgeous beards or tash. The handle is very slim, as you can see the thickness there. very slim, elegant handle. I've done a little bit of history on this maker and the Etsy listing. And I've also tried to Google an 8-day set as a comparison, you know, and I always comes up with a blank. So quite unique, I'd say. I've never come across an 8-day set, and 45 years I've been dealing with vintage razors. I'll be shave testing the two spare blades as well, eventually. Quite a forgiving blade as well. You know, they're not easy to handle, you know. There we go. I keep looking now because I'm not rinsing the blade, I'm just wiping it on the flannel. I've also noticed that recently there's more and more girls using straight razors for shaving the bits. Well, legs mainly, I'd say. But yeah, interesting. And noticed a couple of times in the barber shops where there's a young girl there doing men's hair, It will actually give you a shave. Albeit with a feather shavette. But hey, you know, the principle's still there, you know. Good for them, I say. There we go. Nice forgiving little razor. And they're all identical. Same balance, everything's the same. So that's a shave test over for number 2. Very nice job. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and have a shave test in number 3 in 2 or 3 days when it's grown a little bit. Okay, cheers for watching, have a good week, bye for now.